Well, it's also going to be heavy downpours that you have to worry about on the roads out there. Then when they come through, they will put down some rain. Visibility drops almost immediately when you get hit under one of those things. So it's be careful going forward throughout the evening, at least until the heat goes away and these storms can have a chance to die out. What we have on the Max Track right now are basically just a cluster of showers and storms. Really very isolated in the fact that you have them in certain spots and then just a few miles away. It's completely dry. One particular that's sitting over southern and southwestern Jessamine County. It is putting down some rain, 2 to 3 inches per hour for some of those spots out there. So, I mean, it's right along the Kentucky River, but the spots on the either west or east of it could be experiencing some minor flood conditions with that one particular storm. That also pushes a little bitty cell just off to the south and east of Keene. You've got one cell that's been sitting over eastern Fayette County, has now moved into Clark. So Winchester, you'll probably get a little bit of shower activity from it. Bourbon County has one little spot, and then just off to the west of Georgetown in Scott County, another little brief downpour. Then you've got this big cluster that's sitting in between northern Kentucky and a little bit of southern Ohio, and that stretches all the way from Grant County through Pendleton and a little bit of northwestern Bracken as well. Some hail cores with this system, a lot of lightning, torrential downpours. It was severe warned at one point, no longer the case anymore. Little line of showers that are kind of making their way from southern Bath through Menifee right now, just off to the east of Frenchburg. You've got one in southern Morgan County and also Salyersville really getting hit with that one cell that's kind of moving down the Mountain Parkway just through Magoffin County, northern Magoffin County to be in fact. A little bit of light rain surrounding a heavier core that's sitting between portions of Bell, Harlan, and eventually we'll see that move down into Virginia, so no longer a worry there. Southern Jackson through Rockcastle, a little bit of Lincoln as well getting in on the mix. But there was one cell that really put down some rain in Pulaski County. So from southern set down to Burnside, right along 27, there could have been some flood conditions as well. That goes until 6:15 for the flash flood warning. There are some flood advisories from the same cell that migrated north and west into Casey County before migrating south and west over to Adair. So the flash flood warning will go until 6:15, and the two flash flood the flood warning, flood advisories will go until 7:15 this evening. The future track is going to show that we continue to bubble up those cumulus, so another few rounds of showers and storms could get going. But really, once we get into the overnight hours, we lose the heat, we lose the storms. It goes hand in hand with the summer type weather pattern. Big frontal system to our north, not really affecting us just yet. High pressure is really what we're dealing with, but it's not high enough to keep all of the rain away. We've actually lowered that pressure just a little bit. As it slides off south and east, then we get a nice southwesterly wind flow throughout the course of the day tomorrow, which will ramp back up that humidity. But then the front does sag a little bit, and throughout the afternoon and evening of tomorrow, we could see a few isolated showers and storms that may push severe criteria. Getting into Thursday, though, the fronts move away, and so does the high pressure. So we're still going to be dealing with a round of showers and storms before the next front gets a little closer as we're heading into the weekend. So we keep active weather going, and the severe risk will show that it's basically sitting right along those frontal boundaries. And you notice how basically as it sags south, northern counties tomorrow will be in that marginal risk. So your next 3 days are looking a lot like they have been, but we're just adding more chances for those showers and thunderstorms. And yes, unfortunately, 50% does stay for the 4th of July. But also keep in mind that the pattern remains the same. It's more afternoon, evening, so as long as you can dodge those showers and storms, get everything maybe pushed towards the noon time frame, and then wait till later evening for the fireworks, I think everybody should be just fine.
It's doable.
Yeah, we can take care of that. Just make sure you are planning for the heat, though, because it's certainly going to be hot out there.
Definitely. Thank you.